Welcome back. So in this lecture, you're gonna learn where to find your audience by finding your target platforms. Let's dive into it. So in order to understand where to find our audience, we need to take it from the very beginning. Now, great marketers are just like great fishermen. We're basically doing the same thing. Great fishermen, they have a bait and they're trying to attract fish. Great marketers use their marketing trying to attract an audience. We're doing very similar things. Now, when it comes to attracting our audience, there are a lot of different platforms that's available to us. The question is, of course, where is our audience? Now, similarly to the fisherman, not all platforms are created equal, and all of these different platforms are like lakes. Now, any great fisherman knows that you don't waste your time fishing in a lake that doesn't have any fish. For us marketers, it's the very same thing. We need to understand where the fish is. In other words, which of the platforms are our audience actually using? And once we know this, we know exactly where to spend our time and money. And once we know this, we have taken our marketing to the next level. That means we know exactly where to spend our time. And once we have these platforms, we know where we're gonna do our ads. We know where we're going to be posting content. We know where we're going to be building up our audience, and we know where we're going to be focusing on bringing out our offers. Because this will be the platform where our audience is spending time, so this will be the platform where we are spending time. This is how you save time and money and being truly effective in your marketing. So in the next lecture, you're gonna learn exactly how to find your target platforms where your audience is. See you in the next lecture.